Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
In this lecture, we are going to read the use of function in Kotlin. First of all, by create a new file and give the name of the file function example. Now create a main method. First of all, main function. Just put the main m, press enter. Automatically this studio will create a function. Now for creating a function in Kotlin, first of all we have to write a fun keyword, and it's saying fun0 means function with no parameter. Okay, like this. But this is not a right way to create function. So we are creating a function func, the name of the function like display, and we are not passing any parameter like this. So this display is a function, and fu and fun is the keyword to create a function. This function is not going to return any value, and we are not passing any parameter also, just a simple math function. Here we are printing some message. Hello, I am simple function in Kotlin. Okay, and calling a function is also simple display, and then run your program. Function example. It will display information here. Hello I simple function in Kotlin. Clear? So like this we can create a simple method. Or if you want to display a function with a parameter, you can also display. We will see it in a next tutorial, the next